Celebrities and syndromes. Let's begin. First celebrity, Justin Bieber. He has Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, which basically occurs due to herpes zoster infection of the geniculate ganglion. So what will be his symptoms? His symptoms will exhibit that of Bell's palsy, that is loss of three W's, winking, whistling, and winking. Other than that, he will also possess auricular vesicles and will also have a lot of pain and chronic inflammation. Other than that, this case will inflammate more, especially in colder seasons. Celebrity number 2, Selena Gomez. She has SLE or systemic lupus erythematosus, which is nothing but the great mimic disease because it mimics a lot of symptoms. So she will be having various symptoms like a prominent butterfly malar rash. Other than that, she will have serositis, that is pericarditis, that is also pleuritis, and even abdominal inflammation. Other than that, she will have chronic cases of erythritis with her, and the most important is chronic glomerulonephritis, severe kidney damage. So there will be high rise in anti-Smith bodies and anti-ANA bodies, nuclear bodies, which are to be very, very important. Celebrity number 3, Amitabh Bachchan. He has myasthenia gravis. Myasthenia gravis is a neuromuscular disorder which leads to chronic weakening in voluntary muscles. So what will happen? He will start developing symptoms like ptosis, diplopia. Other than that, his BP will recurrently fall. There will be diurnal variation. Other than that, he will start having a lot of CO2 in his lungs, which will lead to hypoventilation, difficulty breathing, difficulty speaking. So very, very important. Again, no cure, but he has to take a lot of systematic and systemic medications for the same. Next celebrity, Gaten Matarazzo from Stranger Things. He has cleidocranial dysplasia. Cleidocranial dysplasia occurs due to mutation in the RUNX2 gene. So what will be his features? He will have Vermean bones. He will have a hypoplastic maxilla. He will have a short stature. He will have frontal bossing, open fontanelles. Along with that, various dental manifestations will also be present, like paucity of cellular cementum, lots of supernumerary teeth. He will have delayed eruption and prolonged retention of primary teeth. Very important. Next celebrity, Sia, the famous singer. She has Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, which is a connective tissue disorder, which leads to chronic dislocation of various joints like your TMJ. It leads to hyper stretchability of skin, very fragile skin, which will keep getting hurt